When I make chicken like this, there's nothing left. I'm sure you will be impressed with this recipe. In a container, we will put 500 grams of chicken breast, already cut into small pieces. To season, we will use only 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And then the ideal now is to mix well until the seasonings aggregate throughout the chicken. Now in another container, we will add 3 eggs and then beat well. Once you are at this point, we will add all pieces of chicken already seasoned. This chicken recipe is very practical to make, besides being very different to prepare than we are used to in everyday life. The ideal as soon as we pass all the chickens in the egg mixture, we will empanada with cornstarch. The ideal is to pass all chickens individually and then fry in hot oil. Doing this way, the chickens will be very crispy. And before I forget, tell me which city you are watching us to send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Cyrena Ibrahim from South Africa. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. My family members always ask me to make chicken this way. It's impressive. The ideal is to fry the chickens on one side and turn to fry equally from all sides. Doing so, we will have an impressive recipe with few ingredients that we all have at home. And once it's at this point, we can remove it from the pot. Your family will surely love this recipe. Now in another pan I will add 150 milliliters of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 50 milliliters of vinegar, a tablespoon of olive oil, and to finish 100 grams of sugar. The ideal now is to mix very well over low heat until it reaches the desired consistency. With this, we will stir and have our amazing recipe of chickens with a special sauce that looks impressive. Once it is at this point, we can already put the chickens we fried previously. And our recipe is ready. Look how delicious it was. I'm sure you'll thank me after preparing this recipe at your home. If you prefer, you can even add parsley to add a finishing touch to our recipe. Tell me what the result was when preparing this recipe in your home. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.